Today on You Can Change Vegan, we're making this easy choc chip oat slice that's great for school or work lunch boxes. Our first step is to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. This recipe's so quick, it'll be ready before the oven's preheated. Now we need to make a vegan egg. And don't worry, it's really easy. All you need is chia seeds and some water. Give it all a stir and it will thicken while we prepare the rest of our ingredients. The full recipe's in the description. To a bowl, we'll add our quick oats, our plain flour, our brown sugar, and something really important when you're baking, a pinch of salt to balance out the sweetness. Give that all a stir to combine everything and remove any lumps of sugar or flour. Now for the wet ingredients. Add in your melted vegan butter or oil and the chia egg, which is really thickened now. Give everything a good stir until well combined. For our last ingredient, fold in half the chocolate chips. Now prepare a small baking tray with baking paper or cooking oil. Dump the mixture into the tray and then spread it out evenly using the back of a spoon until smooth. Sprinkle over the remaining chocolate chips. Press them in lightly with a spoon and then your slice is ready to go in your preheated oven. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, depending on the size and shape of your tray. While the slice is cooking, I've got a huge subscriber update. Just reached a big milestone. I've passed 1,000 subscribers. Thanks everyone for clicking that subscribe button. Check on the slice and once it's golden around the edges, remove it from the oven. Allow it to cool fully in the tray before cutting into squares and then you can enjoy. But remember to keep some for your work or school lunchbox. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see another one of my cooking videos, click here, or if you're new and haven't subscribed yet, click there.